Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Custom V-twin power, fuel injected, liquid cooled, 900 cc's. This is the custom model with the skinny front tire, really cool alloy rims, and the two-tone paint scheme. It's also got belt drive, so no chain to mess with. Only 2,300 miles on this beautiful Kawasaki Vulcan 900. Come on by, make your big cruiser dreams come true for just $69.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.